In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps in Canva, a handy feature that can enhance your designs with dynamic visual content. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to navigate to Canva's website and log into your account. If you've already been using Canva, you might have some existing projects, or you might be starting from scratch today. Either way, create a new canvas or open a design you're currently working on. This step is essential to situate yourself in the workspace where we'll be integrating Google Maps. Once you're set with your design, shift your attention to Canva's left sidebar, which houses various features. Here you'll want to click on the Apps section. This is where you'll find numerous integrations and features that Canva offers to elevate your design capabilities. Within this section you can explore various apps, but for today we'll focus on adding Google Maps. Search for Google Maps in the Apps section. It's quite straightforward. Canva has a search bar specially designed for quick access, so type in Google Maps and hit Enter. When you see Google Maps in the search results, click on it. This action will lead you to a new interface within Canva dedicated to the map integration. At this point, an Open button should appear. Clicking on this button will allow you to start using Google Maps within your Canva design space. Next, you'll be prompted to search for specific coordinates or a location within the Google Maps feature. Think of this step like using Google Maps on your phone or computer. Type in the location you're targeting for your design. This could be anything from a famous landmark to a specific address relevant to your project. Once the location appears, you can click on it to have the map added directly into your canvas. Now that your map is present on the canvas, you might need to make some adjustments to fit the overall look and feel of your design. Canva makes this easy by allowing you to adjust the map's dimensions. Start by adjusting the height of your map. Click on the map and you'll notice little handles around it which you can drag to modify its size. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first go. You can tweak it as needed. After getting the height just right, focus on the width. Again, use those handles to stretch or decrease the map's width to seamlessly integrate it into your design. The goal is to make it look as natural and fitting as possible, ensuring that it complements rather than overwhelms your overall layout. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Google Maps into your Canva design. This feature not only enriches the visual appeal of your project, but also adds a layer of information that can be incredibly useful for your audience. Whether you're designing a travel brochure, a custom invitation, or an informative flyer, having an accurate and interactive map on your design can make all the difference. I hope you found this tutorial helpful as you continue to explore the endless possibilities within Canva.